I told him to look me in my face. I said, you know, I taught you not to lie, never lie about nothing. No matter what it is, who it is, don't never lie on no one about nothing. So he said, it's the truth, Mom. I've been raped by Dad.
We probably saved this hospital around $300,000 a year in terms of ER utilization, the length of stay in the hospital, the decrease of readmissions, and that's the tip of the iceberg.
So we need to educate ourselves again, I say. I need to educate and communicate and see what these people's standards are. And then we'll have to change and find out. You just as good as I am.
Every people who live inside Burma want democracy. They wish democracy. But to get democracy,